The hardest part of faith isn't the believing, it's the waiting.
Watching doors close while others move ahead. Feeling like time is slipping through your fingers?
I'm Kenny Markham, and I've been where you are, but I discovered a secret in the Word of God.
Job 38 asks, "Have you commanded the morning since your days began?" Most of us are playing defense. It's time to play offense.
Welcome to the Dawn Decree. This isn't just a prayer channel. This is your spiritual war room.
Every week, we activate the Word to break the spirit of delay, to demand supernatural speed, and to turn the key of David over your career and your home.
We don't just hope for a breakthrough, we decree it. We align our voices with God's voice before the world even wakes up.
If you're ready to see the mountains move, you've found your family. Your breakthrough isn't a possibility, it's a promise.
Hit that subscribe button and join us. Let's watch the light shine upon your ways today.